I thought it needed a little bit of color. You don't see very much of it through those windows. But I wonder if I overdid it, because I think it might look a little Oompa Loompish. Maybe I should put a couple of Oompa Loompas in there. There's a spot over here on the wall where it looks like a crewman lost control of a phaser or something. I suppose I need to fix that before I put the roof down, and I somehow lost the sheen on my water feature. I gotta gloss that up again. Yeah, that's about how much I'll be able to see through the windows. Hmm. Boy, the detailing on this model is beautiful. Look at that hatch. Okay, anyway. Yeah, the Arboretum. I thought it might be kind of cute and clever to try and fix it up with just using the kit original trees and things in there. And I have mixed feelings. That's all painted and ready to light. I got to get some of that cob strip up in here and get that fastened in here so I can get that lit. Get some light in there. But what I did was I might have overpainted a little. Yeah, I thought it needed a splash of color, so I gave it a splash of color on. Like I said, these are the kit trees here. These are what came with the kit. You paint them to look like little bushes or something. You put them in there. I'm not crazy with how this turned out. Yeah, you can see somebody had an accident with a phaser and cut into the wall there, so I gotta masquerade that. But these trees here, all these lovely colored trees and things, just give it a little too cartoonish a look. Watch out for those little orange skinned, green haired crewmen. Piss them off, they'll mess you up. Yeah, this Wonka land is unsatisfactory. I had some of these from my local big box hobby store, from their model railroad department. I'm just gonna grab a tuft here. We'll just grab a whole damn tree. Yeah, let's see what can we do here. How hard is it to just snap these free here? They're down pretty tight. Ah, there we go. It just shears off. Sorry, Mr. Wonka. Forester's orders. If these trees are all infested with beetles of some kind, they all gotta go. Ugh. Yeah, sorry guys. I gotta work on my painting. As if you actually look, that one pulled right out entirely. If you go back and find actual pictures, there's a YouTube video, I'll link to it, that's nothing but close-up pictures of the Refit Enterprise. One of the close-ups, anyway, in that video shows some side glimpses of the Arboretum from either side. And one of the things that struck me is when they built the damn thing, that's all they did was they just got some model railroad foliage and stuffed it in there. Okay, who might argue with success? I got my gel glue here. This stuff is starting to get a little old. Got my delicate tweezers here. I don't think I'll do anything else really fancy, except I'll just, a piece I want to try. Start with that one. Mush it into my gel glue like so. Blech. I hate gel glue. Just put a blob of it right there. It's probably not going to stay upright, but we'll try it. Actually, it doesn't even matter if it's laying down. Let it lay down. It can lay down if it wants to. It'll be our little secret. Yeah. We're doing some happy little trees. Nobody expects much from trees on a starship if they want to lay down. Grab it like so. Again. Mush it down somewhere. There. Those two belong together. This corner over here, that pine tree or whatever the hell it is, needs something. It needs a friend. Let's give it a friend. Get a nice little glob of gel glue on there, and just go ahead and drop it in like this. Just like that. Yeah. Worked so well, let's do that again. And I think this one might even be happier this way. Ah. Yeah. Basically, I'm just going to put these anywhere where I think I can hide something that needs to be hidden from outside view. And I didn't even bother making sure that that last one went down someplace where it went down on a patch of green. I just planted it on the sidewalk because why not? See, all I want to do is just hide those molded in features as best we can, because we're only going to be able to see them through a little slit about that wide. Watch the motion picture again and then go back and tell me how many trees you counted in the arboretum. Of course, the enterprise that they built for the motion picture was not entirely intended to be a museum model. It was intended to look good in front of a camera. This is stupid. There seems to be a window right there. I feel like I should... Nah. Thinking illuminator or put a figure behind it or something. I don't think so. Let's continue with our Arbor Day adventures. I think it needs a little bush. Put a little bush right there on that bald spot. A couple of bald spots like that. Maybe I'll do a couple of little bushes. Hide that one there. Yeah. Seem to have a little bit of a direction to them. Stick that right there. That needed something next to that door. There. There. Like I said, I'm not even concerning myself that it's growing out of the sidewalk. Wow, that looks a million times better already. You can see what we're driving at here. I think we are very close to what we need. I think we're actually quite beyond what we need. Starfleet wanted the ship to have a green space. Boy, they got one. Yeah. I think I could even use another little tuft to hide my phaser damage. It's one more of these right about right there. Oh, that don't look gorgeous. I don't know what does. Sorry, folks. Wonka Land's closed. The Oompa Loompa out front should have told you.